Okay guys, let's get started. I'm going to start with my Tarte Double Duty Beauty primer because you guys know I love the gripping primer, but I'm thinking that since this is a powder, it might be a little too drying. Even though that's a hydro grip, I just thought we'd try it with this because I loved this before I found that. Because it gives you that dewy look. Now, I don't think it's going to give me a dewy look under this powder. But, maybe, right? Okay. And I am going to let this sit for just a moment. And then I'm going to do my concealer first. Because I watched Casey Holmes when she reviewed this. And she said it's best if you do your concealer and set it with powder before you put that on. So that's what we're going to do. And we're just gonna go right there, down my nose, here, and a little bit here. So let's just blend this out. Okay, now we'll go in and make sure there's no wrinkles. Looks good. I think we're going to go in with the Brighten Up today. And I really loved this powder before I got Jeffrey's powder. I love his powder too, and that's what I've been using all the time. But this is easier in a compact to me. And it's a lot cheaper too. Not that that matters since I already have the Jeffree Star powder. Now we're going to go in with the powder brush. With nothing on it. Now we're going to go in with our Makeup Forever Velvet Skin, Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. My color is Y235. Pretty good color, huh? It is a really good day for a trial for this because it's so humid. I need to look over here. It does look pretty dry. At least on my skin it does. It doesn't, like you can't push it into the pores. I'm not liking that. I don't want to see all those flaws. Well, maybe. No, it looks really cakey on my forehead. Maybe setting spray will fix it though. I don't know, guys. Let's go over it with a powder brush. Not that it looks dusty, but... And this stuff is $38, so it's not like a drugstore one find. It would be nice if it was so fast and easy, but it was easy, for sure. Anyways, let's finish the rest of our makeup. People have asked me what this brush is that I used on my last video for my foundation. This is an Eco Tools, and it comes with 3 brushes, one small one, one large one, and then there's one in the middle that I use for tanning, and it's downstairs. But it's called the 360 degrees, 360s, and you get 3 in the package. So that's what it is, and I got it at Walmart. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish my makeup. At this point, it seems a little dry. It looks better though. After I finish the rest of my makeup, it looks like it's gonna break up right here where I put concealer right there. And I had got to where I didn't put concealer there anymore. And that's why I probably shouldn't have put concealer there. I should have just brightened that up with powder. Anyways, it's probably gonna break up right there. That's what happens when I put concealer there. I don't know why, but it's what happens. Anyways, I'll be back in a snap. Okay guys, I am back. And this is our final look, except I'm going to put setting spray on because I have to tell you right now, this would be a no. It is so dry, but also I need to tell you that when I did my eyes and stuff, I put powder under here to help with the fallout. So if you like this eye look, it'll be up Wednesday, but it also added to the dryness. And so I am going to try this a few more times, probably before this video goes up, so that I will try it with different primers and stuff. Because my daughter got it at the same time I got it, and she got the Hydro Grip primer, and she loves it. She loves the primer and this powder foundation. So I'm going to try it a few different ways, and then I will leave in the information box how it worked the other ways, and if one works the best, I'll let you know which one it is. So anyways, we're going to add some setting spray and see if that will help with the dryness that we got going on right now. I know I was aiming the wrong way at first. I knew. I get my hair done on Friday too. I hate it the last week. I should make all my videos in the first 2 weeks and then take off the second weeks. Or at least the last week. I should have them all done before the last week, so that you guys don't have to look at these nasty roots. Sorry. I don't want to look at them either though. Okay, this is our final look for the day. Let's see how it looks. Actually, that did help a lot. Okay, so I'll be back at the end of the day because that really, really helped a lot with all that dryness. And they're not sinking into lines at all, this powder. So if the setting spray takes care of the problem, then we'll be good. Although, you know, it's a full coverage powder. It would be great for if you're in a hurry and you didn't put any primer. Maybe I'll try it one day without primer at all. Like a 5-minute makeup thing with just that and some blush or some contour and lipstick and eyeshadow. I mean, not eyeshadow, mascara. We'll do a 5-minute makeup video too. Maybe I'll use this. This will be good, huh? If it works. Okay. Anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it stood up once we got the primer, the spray on. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And I am surprised. It actually looks a lot better. It doesn't look cakey anymore. It didn't break up on my, right here. This is where I always get, if I put concealer up here, it always tends to break up. And it hasn't. It looks really good. The setting spray was the key, I think, because it looked super cakey before that. I am going to keep trying it with different primers because, like I said, my daughter uses it with the Hydro Grip primer, and that's not what I use. I use the Tarte because I wanted a little bit of glow, which it's not going to happen. Well, the setting spray gives it a little bit of glow, but I don't really think that maybe, I don't know. Anyways, it looks nice though. It looks really nice. Is it going to be my favorite? Probably not. But you know, it may turn out to be one that I can do like a 5-minute makeup look or something with, because it's definitely quick and easy. So I will practice a couple more times, and then I will leave in the comments below what worked the best for me. And then I may go back and do another video, like a 5-minute makeup look, and use this and my Charlotte Tilbury, because I love that. The Marie Antoinette I love. The other one I'm not sure about. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, it gets a thumbs up. After all, it does get a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!